Do you know what you own? This is the first step in estate or long-term care planning. Americans' median household net worth, meaning half the households have more and half the households have less, is around $193,000, while the average net worth is just over $1 million, according to the Federal Reserve, the central bank of the United States. The median gives a more accurate picture because it shows what most people are experiencing without being skewed by a small number of ultra-wealthy Americans. The Federal Reserve tracks household net worth as an indicator of the overall health of the U.S. economy and to gain a long-term perspective that influences future monetary decisions. You should track your net worth for similar reasons. This process involves creating an inventory of your assets, or everything you own, and keeping it updated so that it can be measured, analyzed, and readjusted to keep your financial and estate planning goals on track. Your financial plan and your estate plan are deeply intertwined. Trying to create an estate plan without a clear picture of your finances is like planning a journey without knowing your beginning point. Do you want to ensure that your loved ones are taken care of when you are gone? Do you want to leave a gift to a charity you care about? Do you want to ensure that the money you have saved and the assets you have acquired benefit the people and causes you care most about? If so, start planning now. Your plan begins with an assessment of your net worth. Many Americans are unsure about how to calculate their net worth, or even what it is. Around half of Americans told Credit Karma they do not know how to calculate their net worth. 67% also said they do not track their net worth, and nearly 20% said they do not know what actions to take to increase their net worth. More than 1 in 5 believe the term net worth applies only to the wealthy. Net worth is calculated by subtracting your liabilities, or what you owe, from your assets, or what you own. To do this, add up the value of all of your assets. Assets are the things you own that have value, such as cash, investments, real estate, and personal property. Add up the value of all of your liabilities. These are your debts, including credit card balances, loans, and mortgages. Subtract the total liabilities from the total assets, and you have your net worth. While this calculation is straightforward, you cannot figure out your net worth if you do not have an accurate picture of everything you own and the value of individual assets, which can be trickier to calculate. To provide for your beneficiaries and fulfill other estate planning goals, such as charitable giving, you need to know how much your estate, meaning everything you own, is worth, and therefore how much you have to give. Compiling an inventory not only helps you measure, grow, and distribute your wealth, it also helps those who must step in if you become incapacitated or unable to manage your affairs, or when you pass away, such as your estate executor, trustees, and agents under a power of attorney decision makers. I can help you compile a comprehensive list of your assets and fill in any gaps. When you meet with me, we will discuss a list that includes the following information. Your list of assets should include bank accounts, investments, real estate, personal property, and digital assets. Include as much information as possible about each asset, including the following details. For bank accounts, include the last 4 digits of the account number, the full legal name of the financial institution, and whether it is a checking, savings, money market, CD account, or some other account. Note that if the account is held jointly with another person, and specify their name and relationship. List the named beneficiary for the account and any contingent or backup beneficiaries if you have already completed these forms. For investments, include the name of the brokerage firm or investment company, the last 4 digits of the account number for each investment, the types of investments, for example, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, or annuities, and supporting information such as the number of shares owned. Specify whether the account is held individually, jointly, or in a trust, and list the primary and contingent beneficiaries of each account, if you have already completed these forms. For real estate, include the complete street address, lender name, loan number, mortgage details, including principal balance, interest rate, and monthly payment, ownership type, and annual property taxes. Also include your deed. Personal property includes vehicles, art, antiques, coins, stamps, jewelry, and other collectibles, and items such as musical instruments or electronics with significant value. For vehicles, include the make, model, VIN, and loan information. For any other personal property, include any appraisals, provenance information, or insurance information. Digital assets include online banking and investment accounts, online payment platforms such as PayPal, cryptocurrency wallets, domain names, intellectual property, and online businesses. Include documentation that proves ownership of these assets, such as crypto wallet addresses and keys. Your asset list should also include information about the acquisition date and present value. Documenting when you acquired an asset can be helpful for tax purposes and tracking progress toward your financial and estate planning objectives. An inventory is a snapshot in time and needs ongoing review and updates. Use a professional appraiser for items such as antiques, art, jewelry, collectibles, memorabilia, and furniture. Secure the list in a water and fireproof home safe. Create backups that are digitally stored with other important documents on an encrypted cloud service or external hard drive kept in a separate, safe location. Use cloud services with features that allow you to share specific folders or files with trusted individuals or provide those individuals with login information for the cloud service or physical drive. You need to know the value of everything you own to grow your net worth. You also need to know how much wealth you have to ensure that your estate planning wishes are achievable. Depending on your age, you could have years or decades left to acquire more assets, pay down your debts, and grow your wealth so that you have enough financial resources to fulfill your wishes by the time your estate plan takes effect. You cannot get to where you want to go on your wealth journey if you do not understand where you are right now. The first step of this journey is creating a current, comprehensive asset list and meeting with an estate planning attorney like me. I'm Colleen Fries, attorney and owner of Fries Legal Services. I'm based in Michigan, and my law office is virtual and mobile, which means I can meet you wherever you are, online or in person. This channel is here to make estate planning and elder law approachable and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos on estate and long-term care planning and protecting your family's peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.